Every once in a while, I come across a product that just blows me away. Something that's so useful, it's hard to believe I hadn't heard about it before. Now, this is not a sponsored video. I just happened to come across this product, and I wish I knew about it before. Now, when it comes to woodworking, I know a lot about finishing wood. But when it comes to metal or plastic, not so much. Until I found this. This is Polytrol by a company called Owatrol. This does for metal and plastic what polyurethane does for wood. Now, I'm still learning the benefits of using Polytrol, but let me show you what I've used it on so far and how I think that it can help you. This is an antique basketball net backboard before the Nerf hoop came into existence. I touched up many of the scratches and lettering using some matching yellow paint. I then washed it with some Dawn dish soap, rinsed it, and let it dry. It has this dull finish, so I put a small amount of Polytrol oil onto a cutoff from a washcloth rag. I wipe a thin coat of Polytrol onto the surface in the same direction. I sort of use the rag like a paintbrush. After inspecting it for any debris that might have fallen onto the surface, I let it dry overnight. The next day, this is completely dry, but it still has that same shine, only now it has a restored color and luster. Just beautiful. Next up is this Bakelite lamp from the 1940s. Same procedure as the metal. A small rag or brush to apply the Polytrol. After letting it sit for about 10 minutes, I lightly brush it with the rag.
Shine and shield, protect, restore. Beauty's back, it's hard to ignore. Rusted feet.
Here's a gas can stool that I made a couple of years ago, but I never treated any of the metal. It's pretty rusty and dull. The right side of the can here is where I put the Owatrol, and it looks really good, nice and shiny. The instructions say to let this work for about 15 or 20 minutes and then wipe it down. And then after about 24 hours, whatever you put it on can be usable. Normally when I'm treating rust, I use a product like this, Osfo. On the right side here, I didn't use any Osfo, I just used the Polytrol oil. On the left side, I did apply some Osfo, and you can see that it did a better job on the rust. I would advise to use Osfo first and then the Polytrol oil if your metal has a lot of rust. Speaking of rust, I tested some Polytrol oil on this very rusty water pipe cover. Here's what it looks like a month after I treated it. As you can see, this stuff is just amazing. If you've used this before, or maybe there's another product similar, put it in the comments section, let me know. But as for me, I will never be without a can of Polytrol on my shelf.
Glide it on, see the glow. Metal and plastic stealing the show.